Number 2 on my top 5 supplement list for women this particular week is magnesium. Now, magnesium is known as nature's tranquilizer. It can really help to keep us calm and in control, particularly when we're stressed. And it's when we're stressed that we can be depleted in magnesium because our adrenal glands use up huge quantities at those times. Magnesium is also needed to help keep muscles relaxed. So if you're feeling very tense, if you're experiencing constipation, headaches, migraines, just that cramping sensation that you're feeling, magnesium may be what you need. Magnesium is also very, very important to help the movement of calcium from the blood and into the bones to help keep bones strong. Over 300 processes plus need magnesium, and that's why I frequently recommend magnesium in my practice with my clients. Typically about 300 milligrams of magnesium. Often I recommend magnesium citrate as a really good product to use that's well absorbed by the body.